Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to Sephora and did a little shopping. I was out of foundation, so I really need to go get some, and I've heard a lot of good things about NARS. This one is going to be the Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, but I've been needing something that was medium coverage because I have been breaking out more. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have been breaking out, and I just figured let me try something that would be more coverage. So this one is gonna be medium 5 in Valencia. It's really cute packaging as well. I really do like it. And then it also has a really nice bottle, very fancy. So like I said guys, this is Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, and I'm hoping to see if it really will last all day. It does say shake it up first. What I really like to do is use a beauty blender. What I like to do is put some on here first. So I'll go in and I will put like dots on it, just so it's kind of like, okay, I know it's in those areas. And then what you do with the beauty blender is you just blend it in. What I'll do then is go in with this. Just do some pumps of different. Make sure it's all blended so it looks very natural. So you can see here guys that I'm about to do my eyebrows. I'm going to start off with my NYX dual brush. I love this because it has a brush on the end and an applicator on the other side. Makes it really easy for applying. And then I love my e.l.f. This is going to be their brow cream in medium 5. I just get some of that on the applicator, brush my eyebrows first. I have curly eyebrows, so I have to definitely make sure I brush them first. And then I just go ahead and line them up, starting from the bottom, and then I'll go up to the top. And then I'll just fill them in a little bit. I will make a more detailed eyebrow tutorial because I know that I do have some difficult eyebrows, and I want to make sure that if anybody else has curly eyebrows that they're able to do this as well and have their eyebrows on fleek. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys do go and buy this because I do highly recommend it. So, like I said guys, if you guys are really interested in this product, I did get this at Sephora. It was about $35 at Sephora, but I definitely would get this again. They also have different kinds. So this one's in Valencia. They have different ones that are going to be more of a heavy coverage, but it's really up to you guys of what you guys are really wanting. But if you have any questions about this video, about the products that I used or any of that, go ahead and comment down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And then if you also have any suggestions for a next video that I should do, put that in the comments as well. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.